Hello, so this video is just a random little facts about cats, part 2. So the biggest wild cat today is the Siberian tiger. It can be more than 12 feet long and weigh up to 700 pounds. A cat's brain is actually biologically more similar to a human brain than it is to a dog's. Both humans and cats have identical regions of their brains that are responsible for emotions. Some cats have survived falls of over 65 feet, due largely to their righting reflex. The eyes and balance organs in the inner ear tell it where it is in space, so it can land on its feet. Even cats without a tail have this ability. A cat can jump up to 5 times its own height in a single bound. Cats hate the water because their fur does not insulate well when it's wet. The Turkish van, however, is one cat that likes swimming. Bred in Central Asia, its coat has a unique texture that makes it water resistant. A cat usually has about 12 whiskers on each side of its face. A cat's eyesight is both better and worse than a human's. It is better because cats can see in dimmer light, and they have a wider peripheral vision. It's worse because they don't see color as well as humans do. Scientists believe grass appears red to cats. On average, cats spend 2/3 of every day sleeping. That means a 9-year-old cat has been awake for only 3 years of its life. Most cats sleep around 16 hours a day. The little tufts of hair in a cat's ear that help keep out dirt direct sounds into the ear and insulate the ears are often called ear furnishings. The ability of a cat to find its way home is called psi traveling. Experts think cats either use the angle of the sunlight to find their way, or that cats have magnetized cells in their brains that act as a compass. A cat's jaw can't move sideways, so a cat can't chew large chunks of food. Cats don't actually meow at each other, just at humans. Cats typically will spit, purr, or hiss at others. Cats. A cat's back is extremely flexible because it has up to 53 loosely fitting vertebrae. Humans have 34. All cats have claws, and all except the cheetah sheath them when at rest. Most cats had short hair until about 100 years ago, but it became fashionable to own cats and experiment with breeding. The oldest cat on record was Cream Puff from Austin, Texas, who lived from 1967 to 2005, 3 days after her 38th birthday. A cat typically can live up to 20 years, which is equivalent to about 96 human years. The lightest cat on record is a Blue Point Himalayan cat, Tinker Toy, who weighed 1 pound 6 ounces. The tiniest cat on record was a 2-year-old cat that weighed 3 pounds. The normal body temperature of a cat is between 100.5 and 102.5. A cat has 230 bones in its body. A human has only 206. Cats have 32 muscles that control the outer ear. A cat can independently rotate its ears 180 degrees. The cat's nose pad is ridged with a unique pattern, just like a fingerprint. Cats spend nearly 1/3 of their waking hours cleaning themselves. So